Hello everyone, I am Nurse Patience. Today we'll be talking about the signs and symptoms of ovulation. Please, if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. And if you're a returning viewer and you've also not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button also. Then, if you are a returning subscriber, watching this video, thank you so much, we are grateful. So the definition of ovulation can be defined as the release of a matured egg from the ovary. The reason why this topic is very important is if you are a woman trying to get pregnant, you need to get yourself acquainted with ovulation, the signs and symptoms, and even know your ovulation day. So it is also very important, and that's the reason why come up with this content for you. The signs and symptoms of ovulation include cervical changes. By cervical changes, I mean during ovulation, there is an increase in vaginal discharge. The vaginal discharge becomes clear. Look out for what I'm saying. It becomes clear. It becomes plenty. That's it is more copious now. It is more than it used to be before. Then it is also slippery and not thick, so it is very very light. If just like you can pick it, and when you see it's elastic, it is stretchy. Okay. Then the next thing here is breast tenderness. During ovulation, it has been noticed that so many women tend to complain of tenderness, or they would complain that they have light pain on their breast. So it is also normal, and these are also signs that are indicative that you are ovulating. The next sign and symptom is mild pelvic or lower abdominal pain, which is also normal. Most people complain during their ovulation that they are having some slight lower abdominal discomfort. So you also look out for those signs. Then this increase or heightened urge for sex. Most people tend to tell you that there is this period in a month that I tend to want to have intercourse more with my partner. So if you look out for this sign, it is usually during your ovulation period that your urge for sex heighten. And it's a good one, because if you notice there's heightened urge for sex, and you also know that there's a change in your cervix, there's breast tenderness, and also you've checked your vaginal discharge and you notice that it is slippery, it is thin, and it is clear, then why not, you can go on ahead and you have sexual intercourse with your partner, as it will yield good results. Another thing is there's a change in your temperature. By change in your temperature, I mean the basal temperature, your temperature at rest. Say in the morning, you're just waking up in the morning, your temperature is not supposed to be high, but you notice when you're ovulating, the day of the ovulation, you would check and you notice that from in the morning, as you are waking up from the bed, there's a slight increase in your temperature. It might be a difference of 2 to 3 degrees centigrade. Okay. Then another thing now is this: your senses of smell is heightened. You easily get irritated by certain smell you get. Then you are more sensitive to pick smells around you. Be it a good or a bad smell, you tend to pick it more around the period when you are ovulating. Then you notice that your cervix softens at that period. If you try washing yourself, you notice that cervix is soft, and you might even notice like an enlargement of the labias, that's the external genitalia of your pubic area. So you notice that that place is swollen, sort of, which is also normal. These are all indicative signs of ovulation. I'm going to do a recap of the signs of ovulation. I'll run through it so that it will stick better. First, we have cervical changes, which I told you that the vaginal secretion becomes slippery, it becomes clear, and it is plenty. Then there's heightened urge for sex. There's also breast tenderness or a mild breast pain. There's also lower abdominal pain or pelvic pain. Another sign and symptom is there's heightened sense of smell, which I already discussed and I explained. Then I spoke about the cervix becoming enlarged and also it becomes soft at this period. Then the last thing I want to talk about is the increase in body temperature at rest. So these are the signs and symptoms of ovulation. If there's a different sign that you notice during ovulation, you can also drop that in the comment section so that we can learn from your own sign and symptom. And also you can help, apart from the signs and symptoms, you can also get yourself an ovulation kit to better ascertain or to help you know that okay, with these changes I've gotten, maybe you've gotten cervical changes, breast tenderness, mild abdominal pain, to help you conclude further that you are ovulating. With the ovulation kit, you can also know this. Thank you.